Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Force close Chrome and Safari and clear recent tabs to stop pop-ups. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or iTunes so you can restore if needed. This protects data while you fix things. Then disable Wi-Fi and cellular to prevent the malicious page from loading again. Once done, make sure to locate and note any saved passwords or autofill entries that may reference the unwanted site so you can remove them in later steps. Now go through Chrome's settings, clear browsing history, site data, cookies, and cache to remove malicious scripts. Then remove any suspicious bookmarks and delete related saved passwords. This prevents automatic login to shady sites. Next, open iPhone settings, reset Safari settings and enable block pop-ups, then inspect profiles and device management for unknown profiles and remove them. If you find none, make sure to reboot the iPhone to flush temporary memory and prevent the page from reappearing. Re-enable Wi-Fi or cellular and test Chrome after the reboot to confirm pop-ups are gone. If everything looks normal, update iOS and Chrome to patch vulnerabilities. These updates close the holes that allowed the unwanted page. If you still see redirects or pop-up behavior, restore the iPhone from a clean backup made before the issue, or perform a full erase and reinstall. One tip: if a site keeps returning, remove any unknown configuration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.